Hey there. Do you know how people tell time? Sometimes they use a watch. Other times they use a calendar. Did you know that some scientists have a unique way of telling time? That's okay. Scientists tell time by Earth's geological history. That means scientists who study volcanoes, early reptiles, or ice age animals give names to different time periods. They call these time periods eras. Do you think an era lasts for less than or more than 100 years? It's much more than 100. An era is several 100 million years. That's a long time. These eras are split into smaller periods of time. But the smaller periods are still several million years long. Did you know that dinosaurs were split into different periods of time in the same era? That's fantastic. All dinosaurs lived during the same era, but they were split into 3 smaller time periods. I'm sure you've heard of the Jurassic period. This is one of the most famous periods in dinosaur history. And in case you're wondering, you are part of the same time period as the woolly mammoth. See you again soon.